Hello everyone, welcome back. I've got an epic video for you today. Hope you enjoyed the ride. Stunting on public roads is a very bad idea, as this biker was doing a burnout and passing someone at a speed of 100 km per hour, his front tire blew. The biker spotted an opening in the queue at the petrol station, and of course, he seized the chance to move to the other pump. Everyone was okay with it, except for one person. Karen wasn't happy about it and made her feelings known.
What?
The line?
Uh-huh.
Over there, behind that truck.
Damn, that's crazy.
Cheating. Don't do that.
I'm cheating?
Yeah.
Oh man, that's unfortunate. Seriously? Seconds, bro. Love you, baby girl. Love you, baby girl.
A peaceful ride took a wrong turn. The biker wasn't doing anything wrong, but for some reason, this guy had a big problem with him, and he passed him in a very dangerous and illegal way. Take a look.
NANI?!
It may seem like a simple crash, but this could have been much worse. Why? Well, just a few feet away from the biker was a 300-foot cliff.
Hit something?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Alright.
It's in gear. Put the kickstand down. Is the kickstand down?
I don't know if I want to do this, but lean it towards me. Alright, just make it neutral. Okay. Just bring it back. So.
Yeah.
Man, we were doing so good. Guess what you got? You need a new brake lever. Look at that. It's woke off right where it's supposed to.
Oh my.
Alright. This is a good time for a break. We'll come back. I was just thinking how fucking good you were going, because it's getting pretty technical. I don't really feel really like that. I was watching.
Very. It was the gray difference between here and I think I just clipped something like that.
Also, you keep putting your legs down in the turns. You got to be very careful doing that, because what happens is if your foot catches back here and goes underneath this and you fall, it's going to break your leg.
I don't think this guy likes bikers. Biker failed to strap his helmet. He lost it mid-ride.
They lost f***ing helmets.
Imagine having this as your protection and you end up going down. It would not be fun at all. Always wear full face helmets and have them strapped up.
What's up, bro? Yeah,
The wind caught my helmet, dog.
I caught it, dude.
You got it on camera?
Yeah, I seen that. Yeah, I'm on YouTube, NomadMoto.
All right, I'll check it
So
out.
you might see yourself.
Hell yeah,
Tail of the Dragon is a well-known road on US Route 129. It's located between Tennessee and North Carolina. It's famous for its 318 curves in just 11 miles, but it's also notorious for taking down a lot of bikers.
PJ went over the mustard. I did too. I can't blame him.
Tá que pariu, hein? Presta atenção.
Most common way of bikers crashing is definitely a low side.
Okay.
I will let you decide. Did these cops overreact? Sure, the biker was going way too fast, but he clearly wasn't going to flee.
Okay. Can I have to put it down.
Step off now.
Okay. I'm gonna push the brake.
Throwing you off.
I'm not pulling off, dude.
Put it in park.
Okay.
I swear to God, you don't pull off.
Dude, why would I pull off? I didn't see you behind me, man. Look, I'm normal, bro.
Step off the bike.
Okay, do you want me to turn off?
Step off the bike.
Yes, sir. Okay. Hey.
Step off, man. Step back here.
Okay.
How come we going 115 miles an hour?
I'm sorry.
Sorry?
I am.
How come we waited to this far to stop?
I didn't see you behind me.
You didn't?
I did not.
You hit your brakes as I come out.
I hit my brakes to tell you that I saw you. I did. I clicked my brakes when I saw you brake your lights over on the intersection to tell you that I saw you.
So you continue to come in across state lines.
I didn't think you were gonna.
You didn't think I was gonna follow
No, I did not. 100%.
you? So you ran across state lines thinking I wasn't going to come get you, right?
No, I was gonna keep going. I was gonna slow down. I'm just trying to get home. I live in St. Augustine. I got you. Can I take off my gloves?
Yeah.
Can I put them on the top of your car?
What you're about to see is absolutely a ridiculous encounter. Karen decided to confront this biker for just riding in the neighborhood. I know it's a bicycle, but it's a very interesting clip, and I've had to show it to you guys.
I know, I feel like she's walking in the middle of the street on purpose. How's that disrespectful? You're just a drunk.
You're like 30 years old.
Do something about it. How's it disrespectful?
Right in my driveway.
I don't care.
You see what we're trying to do? You just keep doing
We were
it.
out here
It's
before
so
you.
You were here before me.
Yes, we were.
Bitch,
Ask him.
It's disrespectful.
You're enough.
The streets
I can do whatever I want.
Nobody said you couldn't do
Okay, then what is she talking about? Disrespectful me riding in the street?
So this is
Do something.
go. Do something.
Go, man. He's 50. You're like 20, 30?
I don't care. I don't care.
Okay, no shit.
Come on,
Mr.
baby.
Boxer.
Oh, your PO on you. How about that?
Which is disrespectful. That's disrespectful. And
Jessica.
when your son flips my husband off in his car, like he's
She must be drunk.
years old.
Yeah.
The other day. You just did it the other day. Don't act like you didn't do it, dude. We don't give a You need to grow up because I'm sick of you. You need to
You'll be on YouTube. You'll be on YouTube. Dumb drunk. Causing drama. Yeah.
Kid is 30 years old. He's a
He's riding a bike on a...
But it's disrespectful! Shut up.
Go. Go. Go.
It's disrespectful and you know it.
What about that little girl? That little girl that rides bike. That's disrespectful?
She's a little girl. You're a grown man.
Doing nothing but riding bike.
Same thing. That's what I mean. You are petty.
Yeah.
You are petty. You need to get this straight in your own yard. Worry about your own house.
I don't need to do anything.
Yes, you
straight.
do.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
What is it that I need to do that I need to get straight?
Get your life straight.
What's wrong with my life? You don't know anything about me.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, you don't have fellas? You don't have theft?
I don't
going
have
on?
what?
You don't have theft going on?
No, I don't.
Identity stealing?
No, I don't. No.
No, I don't. Okay.
Oh, you're funny.
I'm not funny. It's all over
Good.
freaking Green Bay Crime
What's
Report.
all over Green Bay Crime Report? Just say it out loud. Say it out loud.
Oh.
Yes, you are.
Your husband's
What about
stealing
him? You
people's
know
identity.
anything about that?
Green Bay does.
I don't care. Because you
And?
can pay a lawyer to cover up that.
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
About it. You don't ride your bike, so you racist.
care.
Because we're...
I don't give a f about that.
You sound stupid.
I need to what? Why? Because you act like you are disrespectful, and they're running around here like right in front of somebody's house.
Drama.
You're stupid.
You already asked me why my husband out. What are you, 12?
I never flipped him up. I'll give you
Go.
the finger right now, though.
Go ride. Go ride.
And what did he do to you? What did he do to you?
Go.
What did we do to you for you to come out here like a dumb...
Oh, really?
Yeah, really.
Go. Go.
How old are you?
Don't worry about it. How old are you acting like a kid? Acting like your kid's up there. Oh, they're just saying, yeah, wondering what my mom's doing.
Go.
Dumb drunk. Do something. Both of you. Obviously, you ain't gonna do. Here, find this disrespectful, you dumb.
Right in front of my driveway. Don't do it. It's disrespectful.
It's the street. Go all the way down there.
Right, so what is the point?
Because you want to say I'm disrespectful riding by the street. But now I'm being disrespectful because you're stupid.
I'm stupid?
Disrespectful now. But why? Why wouldn't you just prove it?
Well, why does she gotta come out here and say...
Why,
You're being
why is she doing that?
disrespectful.
They are not doing it to taunt you. They're doing it to ride a bike.
You don't is wearing back. As soon as we come out front, you come in front.
Go. Go.
Well, they wearing back.
Go.
Okay,
Do you live here?
Huh? Don't worry about where I live.
It just seems obnoxious as hell.
Your wife is obnoxious.
Biker's regular ride got interrupted by the cop who thought that he was baiting him into contact, which was not the case.
So you're trying to bait me to make content or what? Trying to bait me to make content or what? Yeah. Your license plate is all the way basically under your tire. 360 cam's gone. You put all this effort to put this 360 cam on, but zero effort to get your plate fixed properly. Ah. Get your driver's license. 0377.
I mean, I wouldn't run. I stopped for you guys, but...
Dude, your plate has to be visible. Look where your plate is.
I just put it like that because...
In all honesty, you think that's acceptable, though? No, you know what you're doing with that. Come on. Never got a ticket before?
I have, but...
I'm sure you got any moving violations or anything on this, or even...
YouTube thinks you're going to enjoy this video,